Hey, what's going on, people? Today's lesson, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a regen on a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. Let's take a look here. As you can see, the regen light is flashing. I got a little bit of depth lift. My fuel light's on. I gotta get that taken care of. Now my check engine light has come on. So when the user that comes on, the truck won't go any faster than 55 miles per hour. So I just happen to pull over my shoulder here. Yeah, see, that'll be the safest place to do it instead of, you know what I'm saying, on the side of the highway anyway. But this is how it's done. When this happens, you pull both brakes out. Okay. Right here you have a button. This says regen. You want to just hold that down. Like so. Keep holding, you'll hit the engine. Okay, you see the regen. Oh shoot, I missed that. The two regen lights will pop up. Then you know that it's getting ready to regen. And also you hear the RPMs are going up. There it is. The RPMs rise up to around 1300. And this regen should take anywhere from 35, 45 minutes. Hopefully 35 because I got somewhere to be. Alright. And once it's over with, that light will stop flashing there. And that's how you do a regen. Y'all have a beautiful day. Y'all be safe out here.